Hello everyone, welcome back to TechVibes. In this video, I am going to show you one of the easiest ways to access useful streaming and entertainment apps using unlinked codes. Make sure to watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Always use apps and services responsibly and follow your local laws. Let us get started. First, open the Google Play Store or the Amazon App Store on your device. Search for Downloader, install it on your device. Once Downloader is installed, open it. In the URL field, type the code shown on the screen. Press the load button. Wait a few moments for the page to fully load. Scroll down until you see the download link for Unlinked. Click it. The app will begin downloading. Give it a few seconds to finish the process. After that, click on Install to set up the app. Once the installation is complete, open Unlinked. Type the code Xenonetic shown on the screen to access the library. Once everything loads, you will be able to browse a variety of streaming and entertainment apps directly from the store. If this video helped you out, please remember to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to TechVibes and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.